Good afternoon. How's everybody doing today on this sunny weather? Finally getting some spring-like weather today. Sunny skies, clear skies. Thank you, Lord, for the beautiful weather and another beautiful day. Hey, my name is Kendria Fion. Hey, do you ever feel confused on whether or not you should be promoting your products or your services on your personal profile or a fan page? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you some reasons why you should or you should not create a fan page. So stick around, we're going to talk about that. There seems to be a bit of confusion, especially people in network marketing. If you're doing internet marketing, network marketing, or any type of business online, there's a little bit of confusion on whether or not you should be promoting your products or services on your personal profile, right? So first, I want to start out by just pointing out that building on your profile has worked for some, but this method is extremely limited. Okay, on a personal profile, you're capped at 5,000 friends, but there is an option for you to have people to follow you. If you know how to activate that button, you can actually get more followers, but there is a lot of limited things on your personal profile. But the thing of it is, Facebook doesn't actually want you using your personal profile to build your business, so hopefully, they don't start cracking down on that and you won't get in trouble with Facebook, because it is against their rules, their policy or whatever. So basically, so if you're in business, the goal is to expose your business to a large audience, which is why you would want to promote on a fan page. I mean, think about it. It makes sense. You get more further reach. You do have to have a profile page in order to create a fan page. That's very important. And I guess, like, before you log in, there's an option for you to click on a button that says create a page, and you have to have a profile. So it's very simple to do. There's different categories that you can choose from as well, that match what kind of brand that you represent. You can actually increase your exposure by running ads or buying a few, just paying a few dollars to boost your posts on your fan page. It doesn't cost that much. You have complete control of how much you want to spend and things like that. So there are some pros and cons to it. So with running a page, you can run ads, and that actually widens your reach to over there's 2 billion, I believe, monthly active users on Facebook. So you actually have an unlimited audience by just getting into the habit of promoting your product or services on a fan page versus your Facebook profile. So with the unlimited audience, then you got your Facebook page was actually intended to reach a massive audience. That's what it was intended to do. That's what it was created for. And so, believe it or not, Facebook actually supports people when you actually create a fan page. They support that and they want you to build a huge following. You know what I'm saying? So that's a benefit. And one of the other benefits of that, the thing that I love, is the fact that you get to actually separate your personal life from your business life. It's a good way to separate it. And I've actually been doing that myself, and I can't tell you how much better it feels. Just by doing that, when you're on your personal page, you feel like you got to always think about what to post and what have you. Be careful. But when you have them separate, you can talk about business stuff all you want on your fan page. You can promote all you want. And it just basically, like I said, it just separates your life from your personal life from your business. Okay. And creating a fan page helps eliminate adding like a bunch of people to your personal friends list that you really don't even know. So half these people you don't even care about, right? You don't even really know half the people on your friends. And most of the time they're like, you hear crickets from them. They don't even interact with you. They don't socialize. They don't like, comment, or share your posts hardly ever. I mean, so it eliminates that too. So that's another good benefit. You know, and so especially like if you're someone in business and you're adding other entrepreneurs to your friends list, other business people or network marketers, everyone is just going to be posting away, right? They're going to be spamming, they're going to be posting their stuff, their service, their product, their business opportunity, right? And it's like you're crowding each other out anyway, you know what I mean? So I personally just think it's better to do it that way. But like I said, to each his own. Everybody does everything different. But, you know, basically that eliminates you spamming your page. You're spamming each other. You know, you're going down your news feed and all you see is spam, 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 right? And that can really become annoying. I mean, let's be honest. If you see other business people in your news profile and that's all they're talking about is your business, that can be kind of like, you know, you want to unfollow them or something because you're just sick of seeing it. So, like me personally, now that I've, now that I've separated the two, you know, it just feels better. You know, it's like, it's stress-free, it's pressure-free. It just feels so much better. And so a page is better to me because it creates a central business hub. You know, there's tools that you can use in the back office. It tells you, it gives you insights on what kind of people you're reaching, how many, what city, what state, what gender, age groups and stuff. Like you have your own personal back office when you create your own page, and it's like you're just running a digital office online. To me, that's the way it feels like. And you know, so I like to use my page as a central, you know, hub for all my business affairs. You know, no matter what I'm promoting or whatever, I absolutely enjoy all the features that the page offers. And it makes you legit in a number of ways, especially in the eyes of Facebook. It makes you legitimate when they can see and tell that you're actually separating the two, like you're promoting your business, you're promoting your ads and stuff on your fan page versus promoting on your personal profile. Plus, it's more professional, and it's what most businesses do. You know, you get a far reach. You do have the ability to communicate back with people, versus, you know, on your personal profiles, like, I don't know. It just makes sense. It helps you connect better with your family and friends when, you know, you're just posting things that matter to you or, you know, you're posting maybe your lifestyle or sharing things with people who matter to you or your close family and friends. So you can actually use your personal profile to like post about your own personal interests, right? Things that interest you without having to be looked down upon, like, oh wait, I thought you were in business, but you're going to post that, right? So you get to post the things that you feel are important to you. That's what I mainly like about it. Or you can delete, and when it comes to your personal page, you can actually delete those people that really don't even, you know, you don't even know who they are, or they don't really know you, and they just sit there all day and they're not interacting with you, they're not socializing with you. You can actually delete those people. Like, forget all the numbers game when it comes to your personal profile, because, I mean, how many of us really know like 5,000 people, like literally, that we're just so close with and we socialize with on a regular? Half of the people that you see in people's friends list, they're like dead weight. So the cool thing about a fan page, you guys, is it was actually designed for lead generation and sales if you're in business, which is what any business should want, right? Any business owner should want that. So if you're in any type of business, you should want leverage, and that's what a fan page can do for you. You can promote stuff, you can share like all kind of value to the marketplace, and you can also build leverage to the masses, okay? And what I love about being in business and network marketing, you can do your business from anywhere. Like right now, I came with my mother here to her appointment, and I just thought I'd come out here and do a video. You know, I'm just sitting here. Looks like we're at some kind of center here for her, you know, checkup or whatever. And I mean, you could just come on here whenever and just talk to your fans on your fan page. So I think that's really cool, right? So you know, you can promote anything, just give value to the masses. You can create many different strategies, you know, to engage with your followers that works on autopilot. So you can actually, your business works for you while you sleep when you create a fan page. So many, you know, on your personal profile, I don't know, you have to worry about, you know, constantly posting new content all the time. And most of the time, you know, I don't know, most of the stuff that people post, you don't even know how much traction your posts get on your personal profile. It's just stressful to say, oh, what am I going to post today? If you feel like you're entertaining people, you know, at least on your fan page, you know that you have a target market and that you are trying to share value with the world. Especially if you have other marketers on your friends list that are doing the same exact thing like you guys. It just only makes sense to build a personal fan page, and that's what it's there for. So I personally love using a fan page because you get to reach more people. It actually shows you how many people your posts reach or your videos. It just gives you so much information on the back end of it. I just think it's so much better. And you also get to plan your posts in advance and schedule times to auto post stuff like your content on the days when you don't feel like just doing all this brainstorming what you're going to post, putting your stuff together. You can auto schedule it and it'll post it for you even while you're still sleeping or out on the town or hanging out with your friends, your family, going out to dinner. You can schedule it and it's posting while you're still living your life. So that's another good thing, you guys. So it's basically a hassle-free way to do business while you get some sleep or you go out. You can still, it's just a hassle-free way to live without, you know, having to stay stuck at your computer all day. You know, you're stuck at a computer or just trying to post on your phone or your whatever device. You can pre-schedule it. It's just such a benefit. You know, and you know, so you can also pay for your ads on, you know, autopilot. Unlike your personal profile, you can't do that. You can't pay for personal ads and get more reach and all that. I mean, if there's 2 billion users on Facebook, I mean, 5,000 is nothing, okay? And so, you know, Facebook is just an industry-leading advertising platform, and they praise people who take advantage of it. I really feel you're doing yourself a disservice by not taking advantage of it. It's there for you. It's a service that's going to benefit your business. It's 100% passive. It's passive, and so you get to like reclaim your life, and you don't have to worry about bugging your friends and your family, and you know, just always having to go out, you know, and just try to find people or talk to complete strangers in a cold market. It's a passive way to market your business. Your page also positions you as an expert or a leader in your field because it shows people that you're on your way to something, you're on to something. And at the end of the day, it's not about your company, it's not about your products, it's not about your services, it's not about network marketing, it's not about none of that at the end of the day, you guys. It becomes about you, who you are, the individual person that you are, and what you have to offer. What type, you get to own your own value. You get to offer your own value. So now it's time to ask yourself, like, which one are you going to choose? Or you know, for those of you who are in business or thinking about it, what are you going to choose? You're going to continue to promote on your personal profile, or are you going to choose to create a fan page and just go for the gusto? And I will tell you, when you create a fan page, sometimes it's slow at first. You just have to keep going. Even if you hear crickets, you have to build. Just like any business, you have to build and never give up. So a fan page is something really to consider for marketing purposes, like on a larger scale. You can reach so many more people, right? And, you know, also, if you're serious about your brand, it's a better way to go. You're telling the world this is not temporary. Hey, I'm serious about this. This is the real deal. So it's a good way to add value to your business because it's another avenue of, excuse me. It's another avenue just to target and reach out to new people, to all kinds of people, different countries, different cities, different states, right? And you don't have to, you really don't have that kind of benefit or access through a personal profile. You just really don't. So engaging on your personal profile is good, but it's a better option for actively prospecting people. Like if you're going to be trying to build relationships with people and just communicate with people like through Facebook Messenger, stuff like that, I would say go with your personal profile for relationship building purposes. But when it comes to creating a fan page or a like page or whatever you want to call it, it's really all about marketing. And then at the end of the day, it's about prospecting and marketing and using them both simultaneously or differently for the two different approaches that you're using for your business, if that makes sense. Okay? Alright guys, so that's all I have to talk about right now. A lot of people are looking at me, probably thinking I'm talking to myself or something, I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and cut this short. So that's all I have about putting a little damper on the confusion of whether or not, if you're in business or you're network marketing or whatever, if you should use your personal profile or a fan page to promote your products or services. Okay, so that's all I have until next time. If you guys have some other ideas or come up with something, to leave a comment in the comment sections or share this with someone that you feel that can benefit from this. Again, until next time, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. It's Kendra and Fion signing off. Love and